Hi friends, for writing today we are going to continue to storytell. So I already have my outline done. So I want to show you my outline first. Okay. We are writing about a time we were nervous. So the characters in my story are Mrs. Chili and KCI. You guys are in my story. The setting is school. And the problem was I was nervous for the first day. The beginning of my story shows that I was nervous. The middle of my story shows me coming outside to greet all of you on the first day. And the end of my story shows how excited I was that we finished the first day and we loved being together. So today, I'm now going to put all of that together to make a story. But before I do that, I want to show you a new chart. I may have showed you this at school. This is our question word chart. Uh-oh. Let's see if it'll stick. Okay. So for our question words, what we want to do is we want to make sure we include all of these things when we write our story. Who is the story about? Okay, well we have that, Mrs. Chili and KCI. What is the story about? The first day of school. Where did the story take place? At our school. When did it take place? On the first day. Why did it take place? Or why were you feeling nervous? I was feeling nervous because it was the first day and I didn't know you yet. And we can answer some how questions. How many? How long was the first day of school? How many friends were in our classes? So watch me answer all of these questions as I write my story, okay? It might be hard to see, but just listen to my voice as I write. Okay, so my story title is The First Day. The beginning, I'm going to introduce what happened in the beginning of my story. In this case, I was nervous for the first day. So I'm going to say, it was the first day of school. I was nervous. I hoped my students would like me. So that's why I was really nervous. I wanted to make sure that KCI really liked me as their teacher. It always is a little nerve-wracking on the first day of school. So if you're nervous on the first day of school, I'm going to give you a secret. Your teacher is too, because we want you to like us. So let's make sure I answered some of my question words in that. It was the first day of school. I was nervous. I hoped my students would like me. So I'm telling you what it was. I'm telling you that it was the first day of school. I'm telling you where it was. We were at school. When it was, the first day. I need to make sure I include who now. I did include I, so it's obvious that I'm talking about myself, but now I want to make sure I include KCI. So I'm going to say, Mrs. Chili walked out to get KCI. It was so great to meet all 20 friends. Okay, so I included who it was, Mrs. Chili and KCI. I explained that it was so great to meet how many? 20 friends. So I included a how too. And now I'm going to do my ending. How did my story end? We got to know each other. We knew it was going to be an amazing year together. Okay, I think I included all my question words. Let's just double check. I included who, I said Mrs. Chili and KCI. What, I said it was the first day of school. Where, I said we were at school. When, the first day. Why, I was nervous because I wanted KCI to like me. And how, I included how many. I talked about that we had 20 friends in our class. So now, let's read my story about the time I was nervous. The first day. It was the first day of school. I was nervous. I hoped my students would like me. Mrs. Chili walked out to get KCI. It was so great to meet all 20 friends. We got to know each other. We knew it was going to be an amazing year together. Okay, so what you're going to do today is write a story about a time that you were nervous. Maybe it was the first day also. Maybe it was a time that you had a gymnastics meet that you were a little nervous for. Maybe you were going on a ride at an amusement park for the first time. And I can't wait to read how you solved your problem about being nervous. Happy writing, friends!